Hey guys, this is Rob Farian with Flying V Group. Working from home today, had our AC replaced, so that's been fun, but decided I'd jump on. Haven't done a tutorial in a while, so wanted to do this one about how to index new pages on your site that you might have created or new blog posts to get Google to index those things as fast as possible. So you'll see here on this screen, I've got my brand new blog post with the URL up above. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is basically just copy this trailing URL here. So I'll go ahead and copy that. Now we're going to open a new tab. I've already got it, but it's going to be Google Search Console. If you see above, you'll have it here, google.com/webmasters/tools. If you haven't set up your site with Google Search Console, be sure to check out our other video that basically walks you through how to set up Google Search Console with Yoast SEO on a WordPress platform. As you'll see here, though, we have a bunch of our different properties, but we're going to go ahead and find, obviously, the website that we're working with, which would be www.flyingvgroup.com. And then within Search Console, we're just going to go ahead and scroll down to this crawl right over here and this fetch as Google. So as you'll see here, we've got a bunch of different URLs, including the one I've already done, that are listed and have been requested for index. What you're basically going to do is paste your URL here and then determine if you want to fetch on desktop, mobile, smartphone. And then I normally go ahead and do both fetch and render, just to make sure that there's no issues with what the Google bot is seeing. For this one, we'll just go ahead and fetch. Sometimes it might ask you for a CAPTCHA to complete. If it does, go ahead and make sure to ask it to request indexing for that specific URL, as well as any links that you have on your blog post as well. So as you can see, here's my new fetch of that URL that we just showed, today's date, the time, and then you'll see this request indexing right here. So obviously the status showed up and everything was fine. So from there, we'll just go ahead and click request indexing. Oh, here it is. And here we'll do the reCAPTCHA. And then I normally do crawl this URL and its direct links. There are some limitations to what Google allows you to do. As long as you're not doing mass stuff, you're probably not going to run into any limits. And then from there, just go ahead and click go. And then it will give you this indexing requested for URL and linked pages. All right. And that's pretty much it. That'll help get your new page up and indexed a lot quicker. You could obviously resubmit a sitemap if you'd like as well, but we like to use this method to get that done. Thanks for watching, guys. Shoot us a like, comment if you have any questions, or subscribe, and we'll be sure to help you out with anything that you might run into. Thanks, guys.